Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. We are study about that the cell basic unit of life. In the previous classes, already we have studied about that what is mean by cell, what is the organelles of cell. In the previous classes, already we have studied about that some cell organelles like cell membrane, cell wall. In the plant cell is only present a cell wall. The liquid which is present in the cell is called as cytoplasm. Already we have studied about that the cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of our cell. Got it, student? And in this video we are going to study about that the another cell organelle which is very important part of our cell. Let us start the video. See, student, first upon we see the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. It is very important part of the cell. See, this is the Golgi apparatus. It occurs in the form of granules. See, let us see the structure. There are so many granules are present. The tubular in structure, filament-like structure, rod-like structure, and these Golgi apparatus is present near to there is a nucleus, and this Golgi apparatus is near to the nucleus. This Golgi apparatus is arise from endoplasmic reticulum. In the previous classes we have studied about that what is meant by endoplasmic reticulum. This part of the cell is called as the endoplasmic reticulum, and the Golgi apparatus which is arise from endoplasmic reticulum. Got it, student? What is the structure of endoplasmic Golgi apparatus? Golgi apparatus is a hollow tubular structure. Hollow tubular structure. Vesicles, vacuoles are present in the Golgi apparatus, and the main function of this organelle is secretion of enzymes. Secretion of enzymes and hormone. Got it? Enzymes and hormones is very important to our body, and these enzymes and hormones secreted by the Golgi apparatus. Understood, student? What is meant by Golgi apparatus? Golgi apparatus is the tubules, vesicles, vacuoles like structure, and the main function of the Golgi apparatus is secretion and synthesis of enzymes and hormone. Got it? Next cell organelle is a lysosomes. Lysosome is very important part of the cell. The lysosomes are also small vesicles. It is also small vesicle like structure is present in the cell. It is also small vesicles like structure is present in the cell, and these contain the many digestive enzymes. The lysosomes contain many digestive enzymes, and what is the main function? It is disposal. It is the waste disposal system. Is whenever the foraging material is enter, some bacteria which enter in the cell, these foraging material is digested by the lysosome. Understood? What is the function of lysosome? Lysosomes are destroying the foraging material. Got it? Whenever the cell is not working properly, the cell may be damaged, destroy. That times the lysosome are digest the whole cell, so it is called as the suicide bag. Got it, student? What is the lysosome? Lysosome is the small vesicle like structure. It is the waste disposal system of the cell. Their enzymes destroy the foraging substance around them, and many damaged cells are rapidly destroyed and damaged by own lysosome. So the lysosome is called as the suicide bag. Means जब भी cell खराब होती है, cell is not working properly, that times the lysosome digests the whole cell. So the lysosome is called as the suicide bag. Understood, student? What is meant by lysosome? Next cell organelle is a centrosomes and centrioles. These cell organelles is present in only animal cell, and the main function of the centrosomes, it regulate the cell division. See, this is the centrosomes. This is the small vesicle like structure. It contains the two centrioles. It contains two centrioles, means when this is the nucleus, this is the cell, the centrosomes are present here. During the cell division, you know that beta, we are made from a single cell. Multiple cell divisions we can grow. Got it? Means all organism like human being also made from a single cell, and the cell is divide multiples and we can grow. Means at the cell centrosomes is the very important organelle which is responsible for cell division. Means when the centrosomes are divided into the two centrioles, and these centrioles are arise the spindle fibers. In the higher classes you will detail study about that, what is mean by cell division, what is mean by spindle fibers. Got it? Now you keep it in your mind. The centrosomes, the cell organelle which is present in only animal cell. The centrosomes contain the two centrioles, and these centrosomes are initiate and regulate the cell division. Understood, student? The plant cell, there is a absent of centrosomes. Next cell organelle is very important. Cell organelle is a plastid. These cell organelles is present in only plant cell. Due to these organelles, the plant get the different colors of its flower, petals, leaf. Got it? You have seen in the nature there are different type colors, different color of the flower, different color of the fruits, and these color it get to the fruits, flower from plastid. Plastid is the organelle which is present, which is found in only plant cell, and depending upon the color there are three important plastids are present in the plant. First is the leucoplast. These are colorless plastid, and these plastids are store the fat, means they have no pigment. They store the starch cell of the potato. Got it? Leucoplast, it is the colorless plastids, and these plastids are store the starch. Got it? Next plastid is called as the chromoplast. Due to these plastids, the plant, the flower, petals of flower, fruits get different color like yellow, orange, red. Got it, student? What is meant by chromoplast? It is the colorful plastid. Due to this plastid, the flowers, petals, fruits get the different color. And the chloroplast, you know chloroplast, it is a very important green cell organelles. Due to this chloroplast, the plant can make their food by the process of photosynthesis. The chloroplast is contain the green color pigment. It's called as the chlorophyll pigment, and these chlorophyll pigment are trap the sunlight. In the previous classes, in the lower classes, you have studied about that. This is the green color plastid, and these chlorophyll pigment trap the sunlight, and with this help the plant can make their own food. Understood, student? What is the plastid? Plastid is very important cell organelles which is present in the plant cell. Next important cell organelle is the nucleus. Nucleus, it is the brain of the cell. Means see, our brain coordinate the all activities of our body. Same like that, the nucleus is also coordinate and control the all cellular activities in the cell. The nucleus is a small, spherical, dense structure which is present in the center of the cell. It is the largest organelle. In the center of nucleus is present the nucleolus, and this thread-like structure of the cell is called as the chromatin material, chromatin fiber. During this chromatin fiber is contain the DNA. DNA is the heredity unit, means whatever heredity which is transferred from parents to offspring. Got it? Means this DNA is present in the nucleus. This is the chromatin fiber. In chromatin fiber is contain the protein and DNA. It also, whenever cell division, these chromatin fibers is condensed and make like that structure is called as the chromosome. Understood, student? In the higher classes, you will detail study about that. What is meant by chromatin fiber, what is meant by DNA, genes, chromosome. Got it? You have to keep in your mind, this is a chromatin fiber. This is very important part which is present in the nucleus. Got it? There is the nuclear membrane. See, the cell membrane is called, the cell outer covering is called as the cell membrane. The nucleus outer covering is called as the nuclear membrane, and nucleus is important. Nucleus is very important roles play in the during the cell division. Understood, student? What is meant by nucleus? Nucleus is the very important cell organelles which is control and coordinate all the cellular activities. In the center, the nucleus is present in center of the cell. It is the dense structure. In the nucleus, there is present the small dense dot. It's called as the nucleolus. Then thread-like structure is called as the chromatin fibers. The outer covering of the nucleus is called as the nuclear membrane. Some organism, the lack of nuclear membrane. These organism is called as the prokaryotes. And some organisms, they have a prominent nuclear membrane. This organism is called as the eukaryotic. Understood, student? What is the cell organelles? We have studied about the all cell organelles which is present in animal and plant cell. Let us compare and contrasting the organelles which is present in plant and animal. First we see what is the important cell organelles which is present in both plant cell and animal cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is very important organelles which is present in both plant cell also, animal cell also. And what is the main function of mitochondria? To produce the energy. It is called as the powerhouse of cell, because whatever the energy formation work is done by the mitochondria. Golgi apparatus is also present plant and animal cell. And what is the main function? It's secretion of enzymes and hormones. Endoplasmic reticulums, rough and smooth, both endoplasmic reticulums are present in animal and plant cell. And what is the main function? To synthesize the protein. Nucleus is very important part. It is a necessary part, essential part of the cell which is present in both animal and plant cell. Cytoplasm, it is the liquid medium. It contains the many enzymes, many chemicals. And ribosomes, the main function of ribosomes is a synthesis of protein. It is also called as the protein factory. Let us see some cell organelle which is present in only plant or which is present in only animal. Let us see first plant cell. Cell wall which is made from cellulose, which present in only plant cell. Large vacuole, I explain about that why the plant is contain large vacuole, because it store the cell sap. Chloroplast, it is the green organelles which is present in only plant. Due to these organelles, the plant can make their own food. Understood, student? And in the animal cell, there is a no cell wall, very small, otherwise no vacuoles are present in the animal cell. No chloroplast is present in animal cell. What it? In the plant cell is present the centrosomes. And the centrosomes is not present in the, in the animal cell present the centrosomes. These centrosomes is main function during the cell division. The centrosomes is absent in the plant cell. Understood, student? In that video, in the last video, we have studied about that the all cell organelles which is present in the cell. Got it, student? What is the animal cell and plant cell? In the next video, we are study about that what is the difference between animal cell and plant cell. Thank you, student.